This YouTube channel creates videos that go insanely viral. Let's take a look under the popular tab. Some of these shorts have over 100 million views. There are tons of videos hitting that number, and the creator makes serious money from YouTube Shorts. I'll show you how you can make the same kind of videos using AI. He doesn't use AI himself, but you totally can. Start by taking a screenshot of a frame from one of his shorts. This will be your base image. Next, head over to the GPT store. Search for Image Recreation Pro and open it. Click Start Chat and upload the screenshot you just took. This GPT tool turns the image into a JSON output. We're going to use that next. Copy the JSON output. Now go to OpenArt and switch to the Image tab. Change the model to Google Image 3. Set the aspect ratio to 9:6 for shorts. Paste in the JSON code. Choose how many images you want. Let's go with 4. You'll now get visuals that look super similar to the original video. Click on Image to Video. Open that tab and choose CANS 1.0 as the animation model. Set the resolution to 720p or 1080p depending on your quality needs. Set the duration to 10 seconds and the quality to Pro. This uses more credits, so if you're saving, go with Light. Now just describe what you want to see. You can make really weird and creative videos. Whatever you describe, it'll animate. I even tested using one image as the start frame and another as the end frame. That gave me a result super close to what they post on their channel. You can try this with different frames from a short and keep getting similar results. This method really works. All you have to do is describe what you want and boom, you've got a viral style short. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.